Now we continue, we do the sound box together. When you show before the sandpaper letters, to introduce the letters for the students, for the children from A until Z. Together you can work, we call sound box. What is the meaning of sound box? What is inside the sound box? There are 26 letters. We divide the 26 letters into 5 boxes. So inside each box there are around 5 to 6 letters with the picture. We show the letters, we encourage the child to remember the sound of the letters using the pictures. Okay, let's try to do. Now the sandpaper letters we put down first, so you can concentrate with the sound box. Okay, sound box. In the first box there are 5 letters. We start. Okay, now what is the sound of this? How about this? I. The name I, the sound is I. Oh, what is this? The sound is A. The name A, B, C. Okay. Wow, look at this. P, the name P. Okay, I put in the middle. And the last, T, the name T. Okay. We repeat one more time, okay? S, I, P, A, T. Okay, now, if you play with your child, you can give some pictures. The first maybe only 3, so they can handle it nicely. Give the picture that your child know, that the students know, so they really confident. Choose the picture that they know really. Okay, for example, the easy one over here. Oh, okay, what is this? Train, yes, train. What is the first sound? Train, train. Put under the what else? Oh, this is easy. All the children know. What is this? Sun, yes. Sun. What is the first sound? Sun, yes. Next. This is you use almost every day. What is this? Pencil. Pencil. What is the first sound? Pencil. Pencil. In this step, if the children that doesn't know yet, it's okay, mommy. It's okay, daddy. Just help. We play together. Okay? Now, how about this? What is this? TV, television. Television. Yes, television. Wow, what is this? Another table. Yeah, this is table. 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 Do you know what is this? This is maybe a little bit strange for the students. Arrow. Arrow. Yes. How about this? What number is this? 6. How about this? Maybe some of you likes to eat this fruit salad, but we just say salad. Teachers or mommy just the first sound, really make it clear, okay? What animal is this? Yes, panda. Panda. Next, faster a little bit. Apple. Apple. Yes. How about this? Candle. Candle. Oh, there is no in this stuff. It's okay. How about this? Insect. Oh, for the sound of it is a little bit difficult. Usually only igloo and insect. Okay. Oh, look at this. Wow, what is this? Sheep. We can say teapot is okay. How about this? What number is this? 7. Wow, there are so many, so we put at the top. Okay. Usually the teachers prepare for most of the letters there are 5 pictures. At least 3, except E, some letters there is no, it's okay. How about this? 10, okay. And the last, oh, salad. In this picture, so many S and T, but we need to find more E. This is you call sound box. Before you tidy up, repeat again. What letter is this? What is the sound? S, 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 sun. S, s, 6. S, s, salad. S, s, sheep. S, s, 7. Now ask your child, what is this? Insect. Pencil. Panda. Arrow. Apple. Very good. Now your turn. You may ask your child alone without your help if he knows, okay? Train. TV. Television. Table. Teapot. Pen. So many purposes, isn't it? They know the name of the things. Maybe we discuss a little bit which one do you like and the color. And they know the sound. Have a game with your child. Thank you. We continue tomorrow.